The Tulsa Fire Alarm Building was built in 1931 as the central reporting station for the Tulsa Fire Department. The building was used to receive fire reports from alarm boxes around town and to alert the fire station closest to the fire. The primary purpose of fire alarm systems is to provide early notification to building occupants so they can exit the building, and to notify the fire service so it can respond to the fire. Frederick V. Kirshner designed this famous Tulsa Art Deco structure, and the cornerstone was laid in 1931 while Richard E. Pitts was chief. By the end of the year 1934, the Fire Alarm Office was open for business and all alarms for the city of Tulsa came into this central station. The state-of-the-art alarm equipment helped speed the dispatch of alarms. The Fire Alarm Building remained in service until 1981. The building was listed in the National Register of Historic Places on September 2, 2003. As the steward of this historic structure, Tulsa Fire Museum is preserving an important component of Tulsa's history and promoting fire education among its citizenry.